How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today in front of me I've got a box of 2015 Crown Royal football. There's 20 cards in here, 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. This is around, I think, $40 to $45 if you can find it online anywhere, which I'm sure that you can. Awesome product. I'm not sure, I think that these still have die cuts in them. I know that the last couple of years have not had die cuts, which has been kind of a disappointing factor, but let's go ahead and get in here. Hope we can pull a top rookie. Gurley, Mariota, Winston, Amari Cooper, but we'll see. Should be a fun break. I always like Crown Royale, however the hell you say it. That's that. Set that aside over here. If I can stand up. There we go. Let's move this up a little bit. Let's get started. Yep, we got some die cuts in here. This first one's kind of a die cut. So a rounded top of Justin Forsett. Got a pink Charles Woodson. That's really cool. It's like a breast cancer awareness type card, I think. It's a really cool die cut. We got, who is this? Amir Abdullah. Regal Rookies. Not numbered. Odigizua is going to be our autograph. That's not one that you want to get, but it's numbered out of, well, I have it upside down. It's numbered out of 99. It's a nice looking card, just not the player you want to get. I got a Jarvis Landry Prism Refractor die cut type deal, numbered out of 199. Nice shine on that one as well. So not a bad first pack. That auto could have been better, but got some cool inserts. That one feels extra thick. Go with this one next. Another Charles Woodson. I guess, are there any like regular looking cards in this? I guess that they're all die cuts. I did not know that. Charles Woodson. It's an awesome card. Jeremy Maclin. Another breast cancer awareness of Alshon Jeffrey. One of our jersey cards is going to be Jamison Crowder, numbered to $4.99. And our refractor background looking card, whatever you want to call those, it's going to be Jackson Shipley. Again, not the rookie that you want to get. Still a nice looking card though. LaShawn McCoy. This is a cool card. Drew Brees Pro Bowl die cut. That's really cool. Not numbered. Matt Ryan, Men of Arms. That's an interesting looking card. Again, not numbered. And our second autograph is Max Williams. Silhouettes. It's numbered to $2.99. At least it's an on-card autograph, though. I mean, that's a nice selling point to this product, is that at least you get one on-card autograph. So, and our other Silhouettes refractor is going to be Senquez Golson. Last pack should have one more patch card in it, or jersey card. Got a Derek Carr, Matt Ryan. We got a Spacer, interesting. Got a King's Court of Luck Hilton and Andre Johnson. And our other jersey card is going to be of Kevin White, numbered to 499. Last card is a Jake Ryan silhouette refractor. So overall, I would say our hits were not very good, but there are some cool inserts in this product. I mean, it's not the most expensive product either, so if you're looking for a fun little rip, I'd suggest it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.